Welcome to this new tutorial. Today, I'll show you exactly how to go from a 3D design in Blender to a real-time simulation in Isaac Sim, powered by NVIDIA Omniverse. We'll take a simple object, a tank, and walk through each step: installation, export, import, material, and scene setup. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Blender Omniverse. Go to the official NVIDIA Omniverse website and follow the download instructions. Create an account. It's quick and it will unlock access to all Omniverse tools, including Blender extensions. Now let's install the Blender version adapted for Omniverse. It looks similar to standard Blender, but it has some powerful new options to connect directly with Omniverse environments. Here a quick side-by-side. On the left, the regular Blender, you know it with the orange logo. On the right, Blender for Omniverse with a green theme and additional Omniverse tools. The interface is almost identical, same modeling tools, same shortcuts. But if you look closely in the right hand sidebar, you'll notice one key difference: a new tab labeled Omniverse. This is what allows us to export directly to Omniverse or Isaac Sim using the USD format. Let's now create our 3D object. I'll grow a simple tank using the standard Blender tools. Add a cylinder, adjust the dimensions, apply a solid, modify, and here your tank. You can use the same modeling techniques you already know. Once you are satisfied, save the Blender file and get ready to export. Let's now export our object to USD format, Universal Scene Description. Click the Omniverse tab on the right, choose Export USD, and select your destination folder. Give your file a name and don't forget to add .usd at the end. Click Export and we are done. Now, let's switch over to Isaac Sim. Locate the USD file you just saved, drag and drop it into the scene. If you check the stage tree, you see it comes with materials, light, and even the camera setup, all preserved from Blender. You can now move the tank, rotate it, and scale it. Personally, I like to handle scaling inside Blender to avoid error. Let's now give it some context. I'm adding an industrial warehouse as a background to place our tank in a realistic environment. Then I select the tank and apply different materials: aluminum, plastic, steel, just to see the visual impact. Everything updated in real time. You can apply with lighting to enhance the look. This setup is crucial if you are preparing a presentation demo or training materials. And that's it. You've now see how to take a 3D object from Blender into a real-time simulation with Isaac Sim, ready for animation, sensors, and even PLC control. If you found this useful, drop a comment, like or subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.